Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Play Fun with Sasha. I'm tired. But subscribe, turn on notifications, and hit that like button. If you don't do that, you're not gonna like this. Zoolander, come here. We have a special surprise. If you were like my way back then, like when I was 2, you would recognize my dog Zoolander, the white French Bulldog. It is his birthday today, so I'm gonna grab him. I lead him to my room with a Milky Bone, but I will be right back. He's by my door. Hey, Zuzu! I got a treat! Wait. I got a treat. Come here. Come here. Come here. Oh my God. Come to me, huh? He wants to smell it. He's right there. Zuzu, look at the camera. It's his birthday and he's 7. You saw him last when he was like 3 or something, or 2. Come here. Hey. So we're gonna hang out, and I'm gonna tell he's not. We're not gonna really talk about him. You guys can in the comments below ask questions. I'm totally fine with that. He's just old now, and I'm scared because it's and I'm gonna miss him. Here, okay. I still love him. He's by the door behind the cabinet. Get over here. So he's a little Frenchie, my French. Did you hear that? He's like, I haven't been on camera in like years. I'm gonna make myself a paparazzi. Well, yes, he's the cutest little Frenchie in the world. I love him so much. He's just sniffing my leg. So, I am gonna feed him real quick, with a Milky Bone, and then I will see you after. Come on, Suzu, eat. He's not really hungry, because he doesn't really know about this, so I'm gonna have to take you to the other side of my room to tell you this. Okay, so my mom is going to the store soon to buy another steak, and then I'm gonna put treats in it, and then but first we're going to the beach. Zoolander, do you hear us? Yes. Okay, we're fine. So, yeah. Well, I want to show you my Lego set so far. I have so many. Sorry, I put the thing that upside down. So, of course, my biggest Lego set. This one's the biggest one of the year, I think. In Australia, but not here, I don't think. This is the Main Street building. And then here we have the bonsai tree that fell. Here is Baby Yoda, statue of Baby Yoda. And it says, the child, blah, 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 50 years old. And then we have a Minecraft Take House, a Raya Castle, and then one that I like playing with is the Hogwarts Express train. And that's all my Lego sets on there. But I thought that I could tell you about Zoolander and his life because he's getting old. But he's a good guy. Are you a good guy? Yeah. Okay, I like this dog so much. He's my favorite in the world. That I spoil him sometimes. Zuzu, look at the camera. What's wrong? You want to go out there? You want to go out there, I know. But just look at the camera. Please. I'll let you out if you look at the camera. Not me, the camera. Look. Looky. He's so cute. Look at him. He's not fluffy. Because I don't know why some people made the fluffy French bulldogs. Those just look silly. But yeah. And I need your opinion on which bathing suit to go to. Probably a dog beach. Should I wear this one? Zuliner likes this one. It looks like a Barbie. He likes Barbie for some reason. Or should I wear this one? Comment down below. So I really like this one. It has leaves like that. That's cute. And then this one is just Barbie themed. Zuliner likes the pink and yellow one, I think. But he's not, well, yeah, he is going to the beach. Why is my belt there? I've been looking for it everywhere. Okay. But still, he's going to the beach. He doesn't wear a bathing suit to the beach because he's a dog. He wears a life vest because, Frenchies can't swim good. So, yeah. But comment down below if you want this one. Put in the comments a dog emoji. No, a cat emoji for this one. And for this one, put in a dog emoji because he likes it. Bye.